Do your windshield wipers sound like this? If so, it's time to get them replaced. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Simple Car Guy channel. Today I will show you how to replace your windshield wipers on your BMW i3. It's super easy, shouldn't take us more than, I don't know, 3-4 minutes. And there are of course a couple of tricks to make this that easy. Let's do it. If this is your first BMW, you will notice that you cannot simply just raise it to get the wiper replaced. So here is that trick. This car, like many other BMWs, has a service mode for its windshield wipers, and to activate it, all you have to do is have the car turned off, and then you press this lever up and hold it until the wipers come up. And there you go, now they are in service mode and we can easily replace the blades. One thing I would definitely recommend is getting a OEM style wiper. Even if you're not getting the OEM ones, make sure it's the correct style and not the universal ones. I have tried the universal ones and they were a huge fail on this car. What happens is basically they start falling off as you're trying to wipe your windshield, so definitely not recommended. These I will link in the description. They were pretty cheap compared to OEM, but of course you can go with whatever you like as long as it fits this profile. And now to actually change the wiper, all you have to do is raise it up. Now that it's in the correct position, we can easily do that. Then you twist this to this position and then you pull it out just like that. Grab your new one, put it in the same position right there. Push it in and swing it back. Now we can remove the protective plastic and we're done. Another reason to go for OEM style is that they will be the correct size for this car. Most of the universal ones are actually half an inch or an inch or whatever shorter than this one, or a little bit too long, and that way it will not actually wipe the entire windshield, which sucks in the winter. But let's replace this second one as well. Same thing, we're just going to raise it up, put the wiper horizontally, pull it out. Very simple to do on these cars, which I love. Put the new one in, make sure it clips in, and let it swing back. Now just remove the protective plastic, and we're done. Not a single noise. Love it. I also love how convenient and useful this 3-in-1 charger is. We use more and more tech in our cars every day, and this car charger can power anything from a cell phone to a laptop with its 130-watt combined output. To put this into perspective, my MacBook's charger can only supply 67 watts, while the top port on here can do 100 watts. At the same time, it can power a wireless charger and fast charge your phone. This is a great investment into the future as more and more powerful devices come to the market. Check out the links below to get yours. Well guys, that's all it takes to change the windshield wipers on your BMW i3, or in fact any other BMW. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.